So I'm across the road from the library now at Sebastopol in Ballarat, Victoria. It's what it looks like from across the street. With the restored historic lampposts. And there's a war memorial next to it as well. The Sebastopol Library in the borough of Sebastopol, Ballarat, Victoria.